How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and as you launch Google Chrome, tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat support over here. As you search for Snapchat support, tap on the very first option that pops up and then tap on the search bar and search for reset my eyes only password. Just tap on it and search for it. So you can see different option that pops up as a result. So you can just tap on I forgot my eyes only passcode or forgot my password and how do I reset it. You can select whichever is more easier. So as you do that, you can see this option of I forgot my eyes only passcode, how do I reset it. So you can see the different steps that it has given it. So you just have to swipe left in the memories to my eyes only and then tap on options and tap on forgot passcode and then tap on next. As you do that, you will have to delete all snaps. So it's impossible, it is unfortunately not possible to not lose the data when you want to reset the Snapchat My Eyes Only password. So in order to respect the privacy, Snapchat support cannot recover the forgotten My Eyes Only passcodes or deleted snaps for you. So all you have to do is simply you have to follow this step and then you'll be able to reset your Snapchat, but not without losing your data. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.